Do you want to make sure who can read your posts on Facebook? Hi, I am PixelPia, and today I'm gonna show you how you can control who can see your posts and also how you can control who can tag you. So here we are at my Facebook page, and let's start by taking a look at the tagging. So we go up in the right corner, settings and privacy, and then we go to settings. On the left hand side here, you find profile and tagging. And when it comes to tagging, you have two options here in the center. The first one is who can see posts you're tagged in on your profile. And if you click on the right hand side there, you can see everyone, friends of friends, friends except, specific friends, only me, and custom. When you are tagged in a post, who do you want to add to the audience of the post if they can't already see it? Here you can choose if your friends are allowed to see posts from other people where they have tagged you. So friends, only me, or custom. Let's go back and talk about how you can control who can see your posts. Let's say that we are creating a new post. Under my name here, we can see it says friends, but if I click on the down arrow, I can choose who can see this post. The reason it said friends is that is my main setting, but I can go in for every individual post and change this. I can have it public, I can have friends. Sometimes I might posting something that I don't want some specific friends to see. Maybe we are planning a surprise for someone. Then I click friends except, and here I can search for the name and just click the little minus sign here. I can choose only me, I can choose specific friends, and I can choose custom. And here I can add who I want to share with, if I want friends of tagged people to see it, and if I want specific people not to see it. And then we have a couple of lists here. Acquaintances, close friends, and then two that I have created myself, family and friends. So here, if I want people on my family list to be able to see that, I just click the family in my selection here. That was a very short description of how you can control who can see your post. One of the most useful parts is to use lists. And in my next video, I will show you exactly how you can create your own custom lists. Hej då!